Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So today I have another cottage cheese recipe that I want to share with you. And so what I have made is a cottage cheese flatbread. These make a perfect wrap for a sandwich, but I'm actually going to make a pizza using this flatbread. It is so delicious. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you and show you just how to make it. So hang with me today because it's that time to get cooking. So all you will need is 1 cup of cottage cheese. And I'm just placing it into a blender and adding 1 egg and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then just blend until it is smooth. Pour onto a baking sheet. Now I have lined mine with parchment paper. And then you will want to bake it in a 350-degree oven for anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes or until the center is done. So to make the pizza, you just simply add your favorite pizza topping. Then bake in a 400-degree oven until that cheese is nice and melted. Okay, so here it is. It is amazing that you can get a flatbread from cottage cheese and an egg. I'm just going to cut it in slices, so come and check it out. All right, here it goes. Yeah, I love a thin crust anyway, so this is right up my alley. And if you are on a low carb, high protein diet, this is perfect for you. It is also gluten-free. It's just delicious. So I hope that you give it a try. But thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.